What's the meaning of chuckle? Chuckle. Chuckle.
Chuckle. Chuckle. The verb chuckle means to laugh quietly or to oneself. It is a form of light laughter that implies amusement or mild humor. When someone chuckles, they make a sound that is gentle or subdued and usually involves a short, soft laugh or a series of breathy, suppressed sounds. The person might smile or grin while chuckling, but it is not a loud or boisterous expression of laughter. Overall, chuckling indicates a positive emotional response to something amusing or entertaining.